Hey everyone, this is Tim again with Main Street Digital Academy. Today we're going to discuss and look at why making your own CBD at home can be costly, complex, time consuming, and possibly a dangerous process. Now, you may also be overlooking possible legal concerns as you never know how much THC you have, and you will always have inconsistent results. Now, until now, we understand making your own hemp CBD at home was necessary to cut the cost of purchasing CBD products at retail pricing. But now, all that has changed. A CBD concentrate is now available to you to make all your CBD products that is safe, measurable, legal in all 50 states, tested for impurities, and ready to use. And it is very inexpensive. In order to make CBD oil at home, you need your CBD hemp flower. You need some equipment like a double boiler or a slow cooker, a cheesecloth, a mesh strainer, a glass jug, a sterilized storage container, some coconut oil, and a cooking thermometer. Then you need to decarb the hemp by heating it in an oven for a period of time. After that, cooking the cannabis in coconut oil for about an hour and then straining it. After all that expense and work, you won't know how much CBD you have or how much THC you have in your solution. So, if you don't know how much CBD or THC you have, how can you know how much to use in any of your products? How many impurities will you have? How about mold, heavy metals, or pesticides that may be in it? The fact is, you don't know and will never know unless you have it tested and obtain a COA, a certificate of analysis, which is very expensive. So now let's review what we've learned. So you see, when you make your CBD at home, you never know how much CBD you have or how much you are placing into a product. And you never know how much THC you have or are placing into your products, which may be illegal in many states. And it is always more expensive. Now, we've been manufacturing CBD products for over 6 years. Our bulk CBD comes to us as a semi solid and is the same being used by large CBD manufacturers. We process the bulk CBD into a liquid concentrate that is usable and measurable through a scientific formula. Our full spectrum CBD concentrate is formulated at 400 milligrams of CBD to each 1 milliliter, which you can easily measure in a 3 milliliter syringe. It is tested for impurities, a COA is available, it is grown and made in the US, and it complies with all federal laws. And it makes it easy to use to make any of your CBD products you want at home. You will always know how much CBD you are using in your products, and you will always know how much THC is in your products. Right now, you can get all the formulated CBD that you want for just $5 per 1,000 milligrams. That's a half cent per milligram. If you want isolate CBD, it will come to you as a liquid at 200 milligrams per milliliter or as a powder at almost 99% pure CBD. If you'd like to take advantage of this offer, go to mainstreetdigitalacademy.com and click on the MSDA Superstore. Order all the CBD you want or need, and at checkout, use the code half-cent-CBD. Now, you can only use this code once. If you want to continue obtaining your CBD at a half cent per milligram, you will need to become an MSDA member. You can get a 14-day, a 1-year, or a lifetime membership. This membership will also give you half price on everything in the Superstore. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you'll never miss one of our upcoming tutorial videos. And let us know if you have any questions or if you have a favorite product you'd like to learn to make. Have a great day.